I'm Dr. Burkenstock, owner of Skin Body Health, with locations in Mandeville and New Orleans. Pleasure to talk with you today. Today we're going to talk about, is my moisturizer really good for my skin? Could the one I'm using be harmful or even deleterious to skin, causing it to age faster? Well, when we buy a moisturizer, whether it's very cheap or whether it's very expensive, sometimes we do not know whether or not it's a safe product. Lots of times, things that are in the stores or even in the more expensive department stores are made with 3 and 4 different types of alcohol. Well, most of us know what the word alcohol looks like, and we know how that's spelled. But did you know there are many, many different types of alcohol, and that they could have 3, 4, even 5 different types of alcohol, which will keep their products on the shelf a very long time, but are certainly over time going to destroy the integrity and the lipid bilayer structure of your skin. So therefore, if you've ever noticed, when you're using some of these creams or lotions, whether it be on your face or hands, and you use them repeatedly, what happens is you begin to seem to need them more and more. Well, why would that be? They feel so great and silky going on, but the alcohol in the products actually causes a further dehydration and aging of the skin. So you find yourself reaching it more and more and more. And what about those ones that smell delicious? Well, chemicals are not good for the skin, okay? So if you want to smell something really nice, put on some perfume or light a beautiful candle. But don't go for a lotion that's of a great smell, because those smells are actually harmful to the integrity of your skin, whether it's your facial skin, neck, décolleté, or your hands. One other quick note about moisturizers. A great moisturizer is going to be clear, transparent, and clear. So if we look at my best-selling moisturizer, it's called Satin Seal, and you can absolutely see through it. It's transparent. It almost looks like there's water in the bottle, but it's not. It's a clear lipid serum that's actually great and beneficial to your skin. Of course, it's got a tiny amount of alcohol, just to preserve it. We make it every year, and we don't extend it past that, and that way we don't have to add a bunch of chemicals and preservatives. When I dispense some of this cream for the face, I don't know if you can appreciate it there, it's a thick white. So it's thick white, and it's opaque, and you can't see through it. It's not transparent. So if it's not transparent, it's not good for your skin, and the chemicals and preservatives in these lotions and face creams are actually degrading the integrity of the cells of your skin. So just for an example, in this particular store brand, they've got cetyl alcohol, they've got tocopherol, they've got sodium levulinate, which is not good for your skin. They've got glycol. Glycol is another alcohol. So there's 2 alcohols right there. Then the next ingredient is benzyl alcohol. There's 3 alcohols. Capryl glycol, 4th alcohol. Stearyl alcohol, 5th alcohol. So in this particular store brand, there are 5 different alcohols that are attacking your cells and adding on to the oxidative damage. We get oxidative damage in life from stress, alcohol, cigarettes, pollution in the environment. And many other things can break down the skin. Not getting enough water, not getting enough proper hydration. So an internal dehydration as well as an external dehydration to the skin. Again, this other brand here, very opaque, same thing. When we place it, so we know this has got chemicals and preservatives which make it an opaque white type of a color. It's great for the lotion product line because it keeps their product on the shelf 3 to 5 years, but not so great for your face, hands, neck, or décolleté. So our product, Satin Seal, this is our most famous selling product. It's made with lipids through a biofermentation process. It's a plant lipid, very, very good for the skin. The most tiniest amount of alcohol, 1 and only 1, and again, it's a very minor ingredient to the whole packaging process. Satin Seal is a rapid replenishing formula. It's a powerful moisturizer, and it's a hydration stabilizer. It's great for all skin types, but especially dry, irritated, or sensitive skin types. It can also be used in acne because it's absolutely non-comedogenic, and it's not heavy, absolutely weightless once it goes on, so you don't have to worry about impinging further breakouts with our Satin Seal product. So it can be used on any skin type, mature, young, old, acne, sensitive, works well for all. It's a healthy moisture balance, and it gives like a lasting softness, a suppleness, and a hydration. It replaces the moisture that we all lose with aging, sun exposure, or other environmental toxins. One of the main things that we see is that it improves elasticity, so we get a smoother, more firm appearance to our skin, which is very youthful. So when we use this product and we see that it's completely clear, it's great under makeup. So you would put on a layer, and then when you go to use your makeup, you'll use less foundation, and it gives a very beautiful foundation or beginning stage to then apply foundation without it getting matted or cracked or that extra oily feel if you use a heavier type product. So this product, no more expensive than the expensive one from the department store, yet healthy for your skin. We have it in our regular 1 ounce size or our travel companion 1/2 ounce size. If you like and share our webinar today, we're going to have a drawing, and one lucky winner will get one of our travel size companions of Satin Seal. So Satin Seal, through that biofermentation process, takes plant-derived lipids, which protects. It reinforces your own natural skin barrier and restores vital nourishment to your skin. It's made with lipids, as we've been discussing, the plant lipids, as well as squalane. Squalane is gotten from the heart of the olive. Yes, Cleopatra used the oils from the olives for her skin, and as history has told us, she had the beautiful skin that could allure men. So in this product is plant lipids and also squalane. And that squalane and plant lipid combination makes an absolutely fabulous moisturizer. Our other product, Starship product, is Squalane and Vitamin E. We'll do a different webinar on that another day. You can see this one is transparent too. Maybe hard to see in the light, but it's actually tinted a little bit yellow. And the yellow tint actually comes from the vitamin E and squalane from the olives combination. This is a little bit heavier for more mature or very dry skin type. And lots of times our ladies will use the squalane at night because it's a little bit heavier, and it's beautiful at night to just soak it and rehydrate the skin. And we'll use Satin Seal in the morning under makeup, or you can just choose one or the other. The main difference between Satin Seal and squalane is the Satin Seal is a lighter moisturizer for basic, normal to slightly dry skin types, or even very dry skin types. But the squalane with vitamin E is a heavier moisturizer. Doesn't mean it's heavy, it's just a little bit heavier than the Satin Seal. They both have squalane from the olive. This one has the lipids to rebuild the lipid moisture barrier, and this one has vitamin E, which is a deeper moisturizer for more mature skin, a little bit deeper lines perhaps, and very, very dry. If you have acne-prone skin, we would not suggest using the squalane and vitamin E. That would be a little too heavy for someone with acne, but by all means, the Satin Seal is absolutely approved for acne skin, and even acne skin needs moisturizer. Why? When someone has acne, they're probably using a topical antibiotic or an oral antibiotic, and they're washing and they're using a lot of zinc, glycolic products, which are fine, salicylic products as well. But those products tend to be very drying to the skin. So you can get an acne complexion that's too dry. So it's almost looking chapped and scaly all the time. That's where Satin Seal comes in, because it's a beautiful lightweight moisturizer that it absolutely will not aggravate acne skin. It's non-comedogenic and very, very lightweight. Well, I thank you for watching our webinar today. I hope I answered some of the questions that we often get about moisturizers, and we'll be back next week. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Burkenstock.